Hello friends, today let's talk about mud-proof water oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and metal. It has a skeleton, and this is a green color purse. This size is MC. Internal diameter is 30. External diameter is 72. This thing is 12 and 17.5. Okay, zero this size to fit this oil seal. Look at this, it have two. There is one, there is two. It is a beautiful purse, and it also have many volume features. Organized at low temperature with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, and oil leakage prevention. Mud-proof water. Think in the skeleton. If you like this, there has with spring. Think in the spring. Oh, if you like this, just send us our inquiries. Welcome everyone to inquire and order. In our factory also can provide the customer the service. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. Welcome to inquire and order.